यस्य प्रसादात् अज्ञोऽपि सद्यः सर्वज्ञतां व्रजेत् श्रीमत्श्रीलप्रभुपादस्तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। 7-9-42 का नु अत्र ते अखिल गुरो भगवन् प्रयास को न्वात्र ते अखिल गुरो भगवन् प्रयास उत्तारणे अस्य भव संभव लोप हेतो उत्तारणे स भव संभव लोप हेतो मूढ़ेषु वै महत् अनुग्रह आर्तबन्धो मूढ़ेषु वै महदनुग्रह आर्तबन्धो किं तेन ते प्रियजना अनुसेवता न किं तेन ते प्रियजनान् अनुसेवतां न कोन्वत्र तेऽखिल गुरो भगवन् प्रयास उत्तारणेश भव संभव लोप हेतो मूढ़ेषु वै महदनुग्रह आर्तबन्धो किं तेन ते प्रियजनान् अनुसेवतां न
What is that? Nu, indeed. Atra, in this matter. Te, of your lordship. Akila Guru, the supreme spiritual master of the whole creation. Bhagavan, O the supreme Lord, personality of Godhead. Prayasa, endeavor. Uttarane, for the deliverance of these fallen souls. Asya, of these material worlds. Bhava Sambhava, the cause of material existence. And to stop the cause also. Lopa Heto, by stopping the cause also. Mudheshu, unto the foolish persons rotting in this material world. By, certainly. Mahad Anugraha, compassion by the Supreme. Artha Bandho, the friend of the suffering living entities. King, what is that? Tena, by such endeavor, te, of your lordship, Priya Janan, unto the dear persons, Anusevatam, one who is engaged in the service of the Lord, according to the scriptural and the spiritual master's instructions. Naha, who are so engaged. Translation. O my Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you are the original spiritual master of the whole world. Your special interest in managing the affairs of the universe is to deliver the fallen souls who are engaged in your devotional service. You are already the friend of all suffering humanity, and I think you will show your causeless mercy upon persons like us who are engaged in your service.
Konnatate khilaguru bhagavan prayasa uttyaraneshwar bhavasam bhavalopahetu muresu vai mahadanugrahayat bandho king tena te priyajanan anusevatanah. So, Krishna is bhavasambhava lopahet. Everything which is going on, creation, maintenance, and also annihilation. The original cause is Krishna. When there is need of creation, the cause is Krishna. When there is need of maintenance, the cause is Krishna. Everything, the cause is Krishna. And there is annihilation, the cause is Krishna. So, Sisti Sthiti Pralaya, although it is being done, Sisti means creation, Sthiti means maintenance, Pralaya means destruction. These things are going on in the material world. Everything is created, just like your body, my body, it is created at a certain date. There is history, and it will maintain, say at most for 50, 60 or 100 years. It will never be eternal, because it is created, it cannot be eternal. Anything created cannot be eternal. So, this Sisti Sthiti Pralaya sadhana is actually being done by Krishna, whatever we are saying. But because we cannot see Krishna in the background, we see only the wonderful activity of the nature. Nature is working not independently, by the direction of Krishna. Maya dhakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. Whatever is going on, by the wonderful activities of nature, people are amazed by seeing the wonderful activities of nature. But behind these activities, there is the direction of the Supreme Personality. Therefore, Lord Nrsimhadev is addressed here, Bhavasambhava lopahetu. So, Prahlad Maharaj said that we are suffering in this way, and we are praying to you to stop this suffering. See, it is not very difficult task for you. Konnatrati khilaguru bhagavan prayasa. Suppose if I ask you to do something for me, you may say, that is a very difficult task, I have no time to do this. So it may be difficult for an ordinary man. Actually, it is a very difficult task. Because Prahlad Maharaj in his previous verse, he prayed, Ante tichapara prihimurham adya. Murham adya. Give me shelter. So, Krishna may think, Krishna does not think, but from our side we may suppose like that. So, just like Narottam Das Thakur sings that Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More. Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, kindly give me your mercy, Daya Karo More. Why I shall give my mercy to you? You are so sinful, you are so fallen. My mercy is not meant for you. But Narottam Das reminds, Potito pavana hetu tavoyo. Sir, I am the most fallen, there is no doubt about it. But you have specially come to deliver persons like us. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More. Tumi bina ke dayalu jagata samsara. Actually, we are hankering after favor of some big man and a small man. That is going on, that is the material world. But if we seek favor from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is very nice. Instead of going here and there, if we want favor, there is no doubt. But others cannot favor us. That is why. They have started so many humanitarian institutes to favor the suffering humanity, but it is not possible. They cannot. They cannot do it. It is false attempt. Because there are so many instances. Suppose the father and mother, they are always ready to show favor to their children. There is no doubt about it. But does it mean if one has got very good and rich and able father and mother, one can be happy, the children can be happy? No, that is not. Balasyaneha saranam pitaro nisinga. That is also Prahlad Maharaj's statement, that simply because there is kind father and mother, therefore the children will be happy. No, that is not. So, actually, if the child is destined to suffer, the good father and mother cannot give him shelter. That is not possible. Suppose one is condemned by the court to be punished, capital punishment, to be hanged. The father and mother may be very big man or rich man. If he pleads in the court, says, whatever you want I will give, kindly do not condemn my son to be hanged. That cannot be changed. This is not possible. Nobody can show favor against the will of the Supreme. The best thing is to ask favor. Shuddha Bhakta, those who are sleeping, who don't sleep in fancy front. So, therefore, we should not ask favor. We can ask favor from everyone, but we must know that nobody can favor us unless it is sanctioned by the Supreme Person. We must always know. Not that because one is in a very superior position, he can favor me. No, he cannot favor unless it is sanctioned by the Supreme. Suppose we approach sometime a rich man to favor us with some contribution, membership fees, but that rich man cannot favor us unless it is sanctioned by Krishna. Krishna is there within himself, and if he says that you give it money, the man will give us. So we shall not be sorry. Suppose we go somewhere and he did not favor us. No, we should not be sorry. We should know that Krishna did not dictate him. He is not so fortunate now. Therefore Krishna did not dictate him. So there is nothing to be sorry. This should be our principle. Because without Krishna's sanction. So here, Kono atra te akhila guru bhagavan prayasa. So everyone requires some extra endeavor to favor us. But Krishna does not require. That is Krishna. He can do anything he likes. He does not depend on others. Others depend on Krishna's sanction, but Krishna does not require anyone's sanction. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj says, Bhagavan prayasa. Prayasa is advised not to take. Especially for the devotees, one should not take up some business which requires very hard endeavor. No, we should take up only simple things which is possible. Of course, a devotee takes the risk, just like Hanuman, he was servant of Lord Ramchandra. So Lord Ramchandra wanted information of Sita Devi. So he did not consider how I shall go to the other side of the sea, Lanka. He simply believing in Lord Ramchandra, Jai Ram, jumped over. Ramchandra had to construct a bridge. Of course, that bridge is also under. Because these monkeys were bringing stone and they're throwing on the sea. But the stone was floating. So where is your law of gravity? Stone floats on the water. It cannot be done by the scientists. But if Lord Ramchandra desired, the stone became floating. Otherwise, how many stones we shall throw in the sea that it will come to the level of becoming a bridge? Oh, it is not possible. It was possible, everything was possible. But Lord Ramchandra wanted, let it be simplified. So let them bring the stone and it will float, then it shall go. So without stone he could go, but he wanted some service of the monkeys. There are many monkeys. বড় বড় বাঁদরের বড় বড় পেট লঙ্কা ডিঙ্গাতে মাথা খড়ে হেঁ. There were many other monkeys, but not exactly capable like the Hanuman. Therefore they are also given some chance that you bring some stone. You cannot jump over the sea like Hanuman. So you bring stone and I will ask the stone to float. So Krishna can do anything. Angani jasya sakalendriya vittimanta. He can do anything. We cannot do without his favor. So Prahlad Maharaj request that if you kindly become merciful upon us, it is not a great task for you, because you can do whatever you like, because you are the cause of creation, maintenance and destruction. So it is not difficult for you. Besides that, Mudheshu vai mahadanugraha. Arthabandhu. Generally, those who are Arthabandhu, friend of the suffering humanity, they especially show favor to the Mura, to the rascals. Krishna comes for that purpose, because every one of us, we are Muras. Duskitina, namang duskitina mudha prapaddanta. Normally, we, because we are sinful, because we are mudhas, we do not surrender to Krishna. Namang prapaddanta. Anyone who does not surrender to Krishna is classified as duskitina mudha naradhama maya pritagana. It is not at all possible to become independent of Krishna's will. That is not possible. Therefore, those who are trying to work independently without Krishna's favor, they are mura, or rascals. They will not accept what Krishna says, and they are trying to establish some law without Krishna. There is no need of God. This is the most scientifically they say, like, now we have got science, we can do everything. They are muras. It is not possible. Independently you cannot do without Krishna's favor. The best thing is that always try to seek favor of Krishna. And you cannot seek Krishna's favor directly. That is also another point. Kintina te priyajanan anusivatana. No. You cannot jump over to Krishna without the favor of his devotee. Jasya prasadat bhagavat prasad. You cannot seek favor of Bhagavan directly. That is another foolishness. You must go through the servant of Krishna. Gopi bhattu padakamaleu dasu dasanu das. This is our process. We don't approach Krishna directly. We must begin our service to the Krishna's servant. And who is Krishna's servant? One who has become the servant of another Krishna's servant. This is called dasa dasanu das. Nobody can be independently servant of Krishna. That is another foolishness. Krishna never accepts anyone's service directly. No, that is not. You must come through the servant of the servant. This is called parampara system. As we receive knowledge by the parampara system, Krishna spoke to Brahma, Brahma spoke to Narad, Narad spoke to Vasudev, and we are getting this knowledge. Just like Krishna, Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Krishna to Arjuna. See, if we give up the process of understanding as Arjuna did, then you will never be able to understand Krishna or Bhagavad. You have to take up the process which Arjuna accepted. Arjuna also said that I am accepting you, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, because Vasudev has accepted, Asita has accepted, Narada has accepted. The same thing. We have to understand Krishna. We cannot understand directly. Therefore, these rascals who are trying to understand Krishna directly by interpretation, they are all rascals. They cannot understand Krishna. Maybe very big man, so-called. Nobody is big man. They are also Sabai. No, what is that? No. Sabir Varaha Ustakharai Samasthuta Purusha Pasu. Purusha Pasu. These big men who are so much eulogized by some rascals, all these big leaders, what they? Because they are not devotee of Krishna, they cannot lead. They simply will mislead. That will take them all rascals. This is the criteria. take this one catering. Anything you want to learn from somebody, first of all you see whether that somebody is a devotee of Krishna. Otherwise don't take any lesson. We don't take any lesson from a person perhaps maybe like this, no. We don't want such scientist or mathematician, no. One who knows Krishna, one is devotee of Krishna, one who is overwhelmed in ecstasy simply by hearing Krishna. You take lesson from them, otherwise all dust. Thank you very much.